two sets of identical twins get married and each couple has a child, could the resulting children be identical?
Yeah, I believe it's because of the parents' DNA and epigenetics.
No, you're wrong. They cannot be identical because of mutation.
No, both of you are wrong. The real reason they are not identical is because of crossing over.
Calm down, girls. Give one another a chance to explain, and then we will see who is actually right.
Okay.
I'll start. DNA doesn't let the children be identical because there are unlimited sets of genetic combinations for one offspring. This involves epigenetics, which changes with the environment as the children grow. If you check all of the regions from both of the twins' DNA, you will see that they are not completely identical. They have some small differences that can't really be seen unless you check it all. So basically, each parent twin will have a different information in their DNA. As they grow, they will have completely different epigenetics based on their behaviors.
Yeah, you're getting there. Can you give an example, please?
Sure, if one of the twins smokes but the other one doesn't, it will have a difference in its epigenetics. Some other factors that affect this are their diet, chemicals in the environment, and illness.
Excellent. Now, can one of you explain the point on mutations?
Yes, I will. Well, a mutation is when the bases of the DNA change. The right thing that should happen is that base A always goes with base T, as well as base C always goes with base G. So when the bases switch partners, it can cause external or internal factors. These factors lead to DNA replication. There are two types of mutation. Gene mutation, which is when DNA has mutations, also known as changes, that cause different proteins to be produced and affect the person's traits. The other type of mutation is in the chromosome. This can cause various changes in the chromosome that may lead to a person carrying a disease or actually be born with it. But if you look at the bright side, carrying a disease could protect you from another one. Very few mutations are helpful, but there are many which are neutral too.
So, would the children be the same or different?
They will be different. Since mutations occur during interphase, the children go through the process. The identical couple's children will not be the same because the mutations they have will affect each child differently.
Great! Now one more to explain. Crossing over.
I'll explain it. Crossing over is when the exchange of genes between homologous chromosomes result in a mixture of parental characteristics in an offspring.
Okay, go on.
Okay, this shuffles the genetic material on each chromosome so that the chromosomes differ from the parents' original ones. Then, in independent assortment, the cells produced by meiosis can possess any combination of chromosomes based simply on how the chromosomes were separated in anaphase during mitosis. For example, if you had chromosomes 1, 2, 3, and 4, chromosomes 1 and 2 could go together, leaving 3 and 4 in another cell. Or chromosomes 2 and 4 could go together, leaving 1 and 3 together. With 23 pairs of chromosomes received from each parent, this independent assortment of chromosomes can result in a large variety of combinations along with crossing over. The twins from each identical couple would not be identical because different genetic materials is gathered from each couple, and this leads to genetic variation. The probability is too low, impossible, that the same chromosome was crossed the same way with both children.
That's incredible.
Imagine there are infinite possibilities in one's genetics.
Yes, that's fascinating.
Okay, girls, to sum up, if two identical couples have children, the children would definitely not be the same.
We knew, we were right.
Yeah, we told you.
I can see you now know 3 examples of why they would be different.
Thank you, Mr. B.
Thank you.
Thank you.